Hello everyone, welcome to PT Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 58th video in this series. It means that we have already covered 57 real exam questions जो students को reorder paragraphs real exam में भी आए हैं. Along with that, we have discussed the hacks and the tips how to solve them. My name is Bharat Bridge and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT, and now it's our mission to help you guys to achieve your target score in next attempt. And if you are going to follow our strategies, you will definitely achieve your target score. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now, PT is accepted in UK as well as Canada, and 90% of universities now accept PT academic. PT reading, the reorder paragraphs are a part of PT reading module, and the PT reading module runs for 32 to 41 minutes, and it is not scored out of 90, it's scored out of 47 marks, and it has 5 question types. The third question type is today's topic, which is reorder paragraphs. The order for these questions are fixed now, and they are quite important, especially if you're looking for 7 bands or 8 bands because they are of 6 marks. So if you're going to get, let's say, 2 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 3 marks each. Okay, so that's why it's important, and you can see how the 90 of PT reading comes. Now the time, how much time you can devote for solving your reorder paragraph. You can spend a maximum of 2 minutes on one reorder paragraph. So in that time, first you have to skim, then you have to apply our strategies, then you have to make pairs and then confirm if the pairs are correct or not. Do not worry about understanding the meaning because in 2 minutes you cannot do so. This is today's topic, and as usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this and then we are going to discuss it. Okay, so I'm back here now. So now let's see. First of all, you know that first we skim them. We skim them to find independent line and conclusion line. This is always optional. So let's get started. हमारे कुछ certain rules हैं independent lines के लिए. On those basis, we're trying to find independent line. And in that, we use process of elimination. In that, we eliminate the wrong options and we just keep the right option जो हमारे पास बचता है because we keep eliminating the wrong options. Okay. So since European settlement, since मतलब कोई बात पहले हुई होगी, right? Since होता है जब से, right? उससे पहले कोई बात हुई होगी. And they कौन, यहाँ पे ये भी clear नहीं है because यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी mention नहीं है they pronoun किस noun को refer कर रहा है. So that's why this cannot be our independent line. Okay. Moving on to the next one. These new pressures. कौन से नए pressures नहीं पता. So that's why this is also not an independent line, and this is process of elimination where we are eliminating the wrong options. Australia's native plants and animals adapted to life on isolated continent over millions of years. Yes, this is your independent line. You can use it. And let's see, let's move on to the next one. Some have also had to face new predators. Some, यहाँ पे किसको रेफर कर रहा है नहीं पता. Also मतलब already कुछ build हो चुका होगा, किसी के बारे में बात हो चुकी होगी. So that's why this is also not an independent line. So we just have one independent line with us, which is Australia's native plants and animals adapted to life on an isolated continent over millions of years. Now we have to make pairs. We have to find the second sentence, or we can make the pairs also. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पे बात हो रही है कि हाँ उन्होंने isolated over the millions of years, right? Chronological order देखिए. कि सबसे पहले पास्ट की बात होती है, अगर लेट्स से 10,000 ईयर्स की बात हो रही है, फिर 1000 ईयर्स की बात होगी, फिर प्रेजेंट की बात होगी. दिस इज आवर क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर स्ट्रैटेजी. सो उस बेसिस पे अगर आप ध्यान से देखिए तो यहाँ पे यूरोपियन सेटलमेंट कितना, लेट्स से 400 500 ईयर्स पहले हुई होगी, और यहाँ पे मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स की बात हो रही है. सो पहले आप मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स की बात करोगे एंड उसके बाद आप बात करोगे कुछ शॉर्टर टाइम फ्रेम की. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी आवर नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. राइट नाउ अब हमारे पास दो सेंटेंसेस बचे हुए हैं. नाउ वी जस्ट हैव टू थिंक कि थर्ड लाइन ये होगी या ये होगी, बिकॉज फोर्थ विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली जो बच गई. राइट तो अब आप ये देखिए, दीज न्यू प्रेशर्स, एक तरह से आप सारे प्रेशर्स की बात कर रहे हो, पर यहाँ पे तो एक ही प्रेशर की बात हो रही है. वेयर इज द अदर प्रेशर, बिकॉज these means plural, right? So over here this is that other pressure. Some have also had to face new predators. So third line कौन सी होगी हमारी, this one. Okay, आप पहला प्रेशर ये बता रहे हो कि compete करना पड़ा उनको. सेकंड प्रेशर क्या हुआ कि उनके नए predators भी उनको फेस करने पड़े. एंड अब लास्ट लाइन ये जो है हमारा, these new pressures, कौन से दो प्रेशर्स, यहाँ पे प्लूरल की बात हो रही है, एक से ज्यादा प्रेशर की बात हो रही है. So that's why this is going to be the last line. Now let's check if the order is correct. Yes, the order is correct. So you see, if you know the right strategies, you can easily solve your reorder paragraphs. And what are our strategies? Our first strategy is finding independent line. You have seen how easily we were able to find independent line. Then BS strategy, which is brought to specific strategy. Then CO strategy, we used it today, chronological order strategy, जहाँ पे हमने millions of years की पहले बात की और उसके बाद hundreds of years, like European settlement कुछ 100 years में ही हुई होगी. LO strategy, logical order strategy, connectors, TO strategy, AB strategy, SO strategy, subject object strategy, and last sentence rule. So all these strategies are very important if you really want to solve your reorder paragraphs, क्योंकि आपको मतलब समझने की जरूरत नहीं होती, मीनिंग समझने की जरूरत नहीं होती. All you need to do is you simply need to understand their context, as well as you have to skim them and apply then the reading strategies. But remember, you just have 2 minutes to solve your reading blanks. In these 2 minutes, in first 30 to 60 seconds, you have to skim the content, you have to find an independent line, then try to find an conclusion line. And in next 30 to 60 seconds, jo ab time left ho gaya, because from 2 minutes, 1 minute let's say you have spent here, then 1 minute mein what you have to do, you have to apply the strategies to make pairs. And 2 minutes mein reorder paragraph easily solve ho jata hai. The strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. So if they can score, you can also score. And these are some of our success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, and 81 marks. So if these guys can score, you can also score. If you have any questions or doubts, do not hesitate to WhatsApp us at 8699121121. If you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching, more than welcome. And I hope today's video was informative to you, and we post such informative videos on a regular basis. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We give wings to your dreams.